Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick video giving a little recap of the rewiring I've done on this lathe. When I first got this lathe, the wiring was a complete disaster. Not only was the wiring completely old and rotted and arcing with each other, but a lot of the things were actually wired wrong. So when I first got it, the main power contactor there was wired incorrectly. I'm actually shocked that it was even working at all. So rewired the main contactor. Got all new wiring going from this to the electrical sub panel on there. Replaced all of this guy. This is a SO5, something like that. Got it at a Gray Bar Electric. And so this is how the factory routing was actually done. I cleaned it up a little bit and I created a little, I don't know if you can see this, but I created a little hanger bracket to keep the cable completely away from the gear train to prevent any chance of it rubbing there. And that goes up through here, goes through a little grommet there, another bracket there. Made this bracket to actually mount the barrel switch on the lathe. When I first got it, the barrel switch was just literally just hanging there and with masking tape holding some bits together. So let's go ahead and give this a run. I took the wiring completely apart a couple times because I originally thought that I hooked up the motor wrong because it was making such a hellacious amount of noise. But it turns out that it's just a fairly low quality motor, and I hooked it up right all along. So to quiet it down, I mounted the motor on these vibration rubber isolation mounts. I got these guys on Amazon. They're 40 mil long by 10 mil thread. They fit perfectly. This little 3/8 hole there. So let's give it a shot. Turn the barrel switch on forward. So not entirely terribly noisy. It obviously ain't great. It's not as nice as a 3-phase, but it'll work for now. And let it spin down. There's the centrifugal switch deactivating, and flip it in reverse. So there's reverse and off. And flick it in forward. I'm letting the motor come to a pretty complete stop before I engage it in the other direction. I'm not really comfortable flipping single-phase motors in reverse like I do with a 3-phase. So with the isolation mounts, you can still, I mean, obviously you can hear it running. You can still feel a little bit of a hum in the lathe itself. I'm hoping that's okay, that it doesn't affect any give me any surface finish issues. But yeah, that's basically, you can hear it running in there. That's how it sounds from the back. So it'll do for now. So that is a little recap of the electrical. So I got the electrical buttoned up to my satisfaction, so pretty happy with it. So next step is I'm going to start hooking the main spindle shafts up. And what do you want? Hey, Ike wants in on the action. What do you want, buddy? Okay. Hey. Okay. So, from Ike and Andy, thanks for watching this really boring video.